If I had a nickel for every park that I've been to that's had demolished buildings as art pieces, I'd have 2 nickels. Right here, outside of Toronto, is a garden full of historical artifacts. This is the story of the Guildwood Park. Adjacent to the cold shores of Lake Ontario lies the Scarborough Bluffs. Settlers first came here in the late 18th century. By the year 1850, the region had become the township of Scarborough. In the 1930s, a woman named Rosa Houston would start the very first artist community in Canada, known as the Guild of All Arts. She would purchase a small estate that would later become Guildwood Park. As Toronto expanded in the mid-20th century, many of its buildings that had been constructed decades earlier were demolished. Parts of these buildings, such as sculptures, archway entrances, and pillars, were saved and put on display in Guildwood. The park would be sold to the Toronto and Region Conservation Authority in the year 1978. This beautiful park features incredible sculptures and art pieces and is a reminder of Toronto's architectural past.